To download Movies Tycoon on a PC or laptop, start by downloading Steam, an app that allows you to buy, download, install, and play games. Begin by going to Google and typing in Steam. Then look for the website store.steampowered.com, which is the official Steam website. Click on the Welcome to Steam option. Then select the Install Steam button. Choose your platform, such as Windows, and click the Install Steam button to download the Steam setup. Once the setup is open, press Next. Select your language, and choose the destination folder for the installation. You can leave the default settings or change them as needed. Then press Install to begin the installation process. After installing Steam, open the app and log in or create an account if you don't already have one. Creating an account is a straightforward process that will guide you through each step. Once you're logged in, you should see the Steam Store screen. If not, click on the Store option at the top left to navigate to it. Next, go to the search box on the right side and type in Movies to find the game. Click on the game, scroll down to the Buy Movies Tycoon option, and then select Add to Cart. Proceed to View Cart. Then choose whether you want to buy the game for yourself or as a gift for someone else. Select your payment method from the drop-down menu, such as PayPal, and complete the checkout process to purchase the game. After buying the game, it will be added to your Steam library. To find it, click on the Library option at the top left. Select Games, and look for the game in your list once you've found it. Click on the game and press the blue Install button. You will then be prompted to select options such as creating a desktop shortcut or restart menu. Shortcut, and choose the drive where you want to install the game. Click Install to begin the download and installation process. Once the installation is complete, you will receive a notification from Steam, and you can launch the game by clicking on the green Play button.